In April 2021, the first phase of Business Lab Uganda BLU ended after 18 months, a sustainable trade program for agribusiness supported by the Embassy of the Netherlands in Kampala. Business Lab Uganda BLU selected two value chains, dried fruit and jackfruit. For both value chains, deals have been organized with Dutch buyers. And perhaps even more important, a solid collaborative network is established between the participating fruit processors and suppliers, international clients, and national and international sustainable food experts. In this video, we want to show you the impact of Business Lab Uganda BLU1. Most significant changes: marginalized groups.
Marginalized groups, especially the women farmers, who often tend to be left behind in regards to cash crops. And so we made it a kind of a conscious effort as a result of working with BLU to bring women farmers on board, women groups on board as suppliers. And in the area of sustainability, we saw that there might be a lot of demand for the fruits. So personally, we've taken that initiative to encourage people to grow more jackfruit, especially. You know, long ago there used to be something, grow more cotton, grow more coffee. So for us, it's now grow more jackfruit.
Acceleration.
We have accelerated so far since we joined BLU because we have got new ideas. For example, our company, we are dealing only in pineapple drying, but we have gained more skill out of BLU, like jackfruit, and we are going to implement it on our company, and we earn money out of it. Yeah, it will be possible because we have tried visiting different companies, and they also started small, and we gained different knowledge on how we can start small and we grow big.
I think it's not only Afya as a company that has been accelerated as we go down with messages to farmers that these fruits are now required. For example, jackfruits, it has raised their hopes. You know, they are no longer looking at the jackfruit as a social fruit. People just come and pass by it and throw. They know they can now get money from their jackfruits, and so they are growing more, maybe growing more bananas, you know. So even the farmers' hopes have been raised.
Support network.
The ability to network, the ability to give skills to people, and then at the same time, the ability to source the export market. And also bringing together different levels of the value chain. They are the producers, the input dealers, there are those who are traders, some are dryers, but then to link them to the market in Europe and beyond.
Yeah, about BLU1, my conclusion, it is so helpful. As I've said, we have learned a lot, and in conclusion, I can say that BLU has brought the entire companies that are dealing in food processing, most so dried fruits, together. We've been just seeing one another as competitors, but we have happened now to network, to come together, and we are working as friends. So at the end, we believe that by coming together and by enrolling more members, at the end of the day, our voice shall be heard as one.
Compete on international markets and improve quality.
I've been so glad that my company has been a part of this project that is looking forward to making better the businesses that are in our country. Many of them being small, and their production capacities really cannot meet the market, which is, say, in Europe or other countries. And one characteristic about the companies in the country is their capacity is small. And one thing that BLU did when they came into the picture is, I think they saw this ahead of time and thought it wise, if these companies in Uganda are to benefit from their businesses and, you know, improve, it would be better if they can commit or compete on the international market. And that would mean improved quality and being small-scale operators, it is hard to, it's hard to implement these things on their own. And therefore, Blue came merging these companies together in terms of their production. There is uniformity in terms of standard of the product, where this company brings, another brings, and the other also brings, yet they are actually identified as a single product. Therefore, in terms of volume, they can meet the demand which is out there. And then also in terms of quality, they are able to, through the various tradings that are being done, meet the quality demand of this product. So I see Blue project as a very, very timely one with respect to improving the businesses that are run in this country.
Challenge the misconception about African standards.
Yeah, we've learned a lot, but something that has caught my attention and something that I've really happened to learn is the direct involvement of customers. That was so amazing. So in the last phase, we've happened to get clients who have practically came to the field, take a visibility study at our factories, and at the end of the day, they have been in position of telling us the exact mysteries that is spreading all over Europe, that when you receive a product from Africa, in most cases, they don't believe that we have standards. So by these people coming and telling us exactly what is supposed to be done, observing exactly what is happening, we feel that we are ready to challenge for the betterment of utilizing the available market abroad there.
Business Lab Uganda BLU1 to Business Lab Uganda BLU2. Business Lab Uganda BLU1 was a program, and Business Lab Uganda BLU2 is a company, a trade support company for sustainable value chains in Uganda. With the current candidates, we will continue to build a supplier group and organic certified brand. The Business Lab Uganda Blue Company will select value chains and companies through a triple scan, then take the companies through the 10 steps of trade that will result in the first container, and finally move to scale in order to create opportunities for more women in agribusiness in Uganda. Thank you so much for all your valuable contribution to Business Lab Uganda Blue.